Stock investing for beginners. I made over 2,300 from November 1st to November 3rd. Let's see how much I made in October. In October 1st to October 30th, that's gonna be about 20 days. I made over 5,000 trading advanced options. In this video, I'm going to analyze October stock market and I'm going to make forecasts for the November stock market. What could happen in November and also in December. S&P 500 was up 0.94% in one day on November 3rd. In 5 days, S&P 500 was up 5.29%. And Nasdaq in one day, it was up 1.38% on November 3rd. In 5 days, it was up over 5.71%. In just 5 days, the stock market rebounded. In October, stock market was having a corrections, but in November, it looks like it's going to rebound pretty fast. Dow Jones, it was up 0.66%. In 5 days, it was up 4.66%. Year to date, Dow Jones was only up 2.79%. Nasdaq year to date, it was up 29.76%. That's significant. If you invested $1,000 in Nasdaq index fund, you would have made around $300 year to date. S&P 500 year to date is about 13.97%. S&P 500 Nasdaq ended corrections in August, September, and October. What is correction? If the stock market drops 10% or more, it's corrections. And 3 reasons for the stock market drop. Could we have another bear market in 2023? I'm going to talk about November stock market analysis and forecast, and 3 reasons why stock markets could continue to rise. What would I do for year-end 2023 and 2024? Stock market started to pull back in August. Why? 5% to 10% drop is a pullback. August is usually a weak month for the stock markets because traders and investors before they go on vacations and they tend to sell their stocks, and also trading volume is lower in August, so seasonally August tend to be a weak month, but it's a good time to add shares to great companies and value companies that you like. August, September, October, usually the stock markets tend to be weak during that time. So why did stock market continue to drop in September? Because Federal Reserve Power says that more highs could be coming, so stock market was spooked, and so they sold off in September. They got momentum from August, they sold out more again in September. In October, Hamas attacked Israel, so there was a war breakout in Israel and Hamas, so stock market dropped a little bit, but that was not the main reason why stock market continued to drop in October. The main reason was 10-year yield. It rose quite significantly in October, so stock markets was scared, so the stock market continued to drop in October. So does it mean that we're gonna have another bear market in 2023? We had a bear market in 2008. 2009 bull market started in 2009 March and it lasted 11 years and it ended in 2020. Why? Because COVID pandemic, everything shut down. Factories shut down. It was so hard to buy anything. Everything, the price rose up, so the stock market crashed because everything shut down and people were scared that there could be a depressions coming because of COVID 2020. But that bear market was really short. The market rebounded pretty quickly, and in 2022, bear market was caused by Federal Reserve, which raised the interest rate because of inflation. There was a supply chain disruption caused by COVID pandemic, and everything got expensive. Private roads, cars, housing, everything got expensive. So that's why Federal Reserve had to raise the interest rate to reduce inflation. So it was Fed-induced bear markets in 2022. It was longer than 2020. But it did not last longer than 1 year. So 2009 bull market lasted for 11 years. Without these 2 bear market, 2009 bull market would have continued. After 2022 bear market, 2022 bull market started in October. Now we are having corrections in August, September, October. Right now in November 2023, could this lead to another bear market? Average correction time to bottom is 3 months. Bear market occurs once every 6 years on average. So we already had 2 bear markets in 2020 and 2022. 2022 bear market, COVID pandemic, it was short. 2022 COVID inflation Fed caused another bear market. Could we have another one in 2023? Anything is possible, but in my opinion, I don't think so. It's unlikely that we will have another bear market in 2023. Why do I think the stock market could go up further? There are 3 reasons. Reason number 3, Federal Reserve paused interest rate in November Federal Reserve meeting. Jerome Powell made an announcement they are pausing interest rate for some time. They may raise the interest rate again, but the stock markets took the hint that he's already paused the interest rate. Maybe he may pause it for some time, or maybe a few months or more, depending on the inflation data. Reason number 2, 30-year Treasury dropped after Jerome Powell made the announcement. So that was significant. The yield dropped significantly. Then after that, the stock market rose, recovered quite a lot in November, at the beginning of November. Reason number 1, let's look at S&P performance after 3-month decline. What could happen? Historically, we had 5 years where we had lower months in August, September, October. So what could happen in November and December? In 1952, we had a positive of 4.6% gain. In 1957, we had 1.6% positive gain. In 1990, we had 6%. 2016, we had 3.4%. So 5 times, all 5 times, we had positive month in November after decline in August, September, October. How about December? In December 1952, we had 3.5% positive return. In 1957, we had negative 4.1% return in December. And 1990, we had 2.5%. So for December, we had positive months of 4 months out of 5 times historically. So the final 2 months of the year, we had 4 positive months out of 5 times, so 80%. So 100% positive return in November, 80% positive return in December. So overall 80% positive return for the final 2 months of the year. This is good news, especially in 1990. Final 2 months of the year, 8.6%. 1952, 8.4%. That's significant. 2016, 4.3%. So you don't want to be missing the last 2 months of this year as well. Are we going to have positive 2 months or negative 2 months? What do you think? Comment down below. I will do 3 things in November and December to prepare for 2024 New Year. Number 3, I'm gonna DCA in great stock. I believe that most great stocks are undervalued right now. Next year, stock markets could get overvalued, so I'm gonna be DCA in great stocks before the end of this year. I'm not gonna wait for next year. And reason number 2, I'm buying call options for short-term trading. Remember, November is gonna bounce back really hard. So I've been buying call options. I'm gonna add more call options to my portfolio. And number 1, this is really important. I use advanced option for any market condition. Advanced option is good if the stock market is going up. It's also good if they are not going anywhere. If stock markets go down, they are also good for the down market as well. So these 3 are the actions that I'm gonna do for November and December to prepare for next year. Remember, getting rich in stocks is not about you are right or wrong. It's about how big you win when you're right and how you can stay win even when you're wrong. If you have any questions, comment down below, share, subscribe. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now. If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist: stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.